White girl, black girl very angry. Oh, no surprise. White girl. Oh, black girl. No. White girl. Yeah. Friendship.